Hey, it's TJ, and we are in the living room because it's cold and miserable outside. So I'm going to sit here and sip on some coffee, and we got a little project that the whole family's going to help me with right here on Tipton Family Farm. Okay, what does a kiddie pull, a drill, wherever it went, oh there it is, yeah, drill bits, screen, bolts, washers, nuts, speed square, and a square have to do together? Well, I'm about ready to show you.
Yeah.
Okay, so like I said, we invaded the living room. I've got two lines marked here, and I'm going to mark this line right here across. Now, we didn't do any precise measuring. What we did was basically counted the little circles in the bottom and put those together. Jake, come over here and do that for me, will you please? Okay, so we got this square in the center of the pull, hopefully. Then you take your handy dandy, you tell I got kids, handy dandy pocket knife, and then you're just going to cut. I mean, it's pouring outside. Hold on with that, son. And you're just going to cut that square that you just made. And you can't press down real hard because these Walmart pulls. I got this at Walmart for $7, $7.99, seven something. And so they're really cheap, but they're going to fulfill the purpose of what you want to do.
What are you doing?
David, we're cutting a pool in your swimming pool. A big old hole in your swimming pool.
Now, wait.
Okay, so that's done. And then what we're going to do, next is we're going to put some stuff together, and I'll show you here in just a second. Okay, so we're going to put the screen on. We're going to use zip ties. I got some bolts and washers, but we're going to use zip ties. I think it's going to be easier. Go ahead, Coach. And we're going to put two on each side and two in the middle. Blooper. Let's see if Colton can put this back in properly. We're getting there. Zoe's going to come and check it out. That's our goat dog, chicken dog. I'll show some videos of her chasing chickens here.
Get him, Zoe. Get him.
Okay.
Get him, Zoe.
Now we're going to do two over there. Got Jake and Colton helping me. And then we're going to put the zip ties in. This ought to be interesting. You have to reach underneath, but how you going to get the... Now what we're going to do is, when I get this fully set up and chicks in, I'll show you the picture of we're going to put the heat lamp. We're going to put the heat lamp on top to keep them warm, and bedding and everything underneath. Okay, so what we decided to do was to give it a little bit of support because these are really cheap pulls. So what we did was we went ahead and added, went down to the hardware store and got some little 1x2s and made tees. Bring it back a little bit. There you go. Yeah, go ahead and put that in there. And yeah, just give that top support because the lamp is going to be on top of the screen, like this right here. The lamp will be on top of the screen, shining down into the unit. Okay. Now we're getting in 20 hens, 2 roosters, 10 ducks, and 2 drakes. So we them today on the 16th of February. They should be here the 1st of March, and so we'll be ready. We got a new home coming for them. Okay, and then what we're going to do is that when we're through raising them at the end of their raising season, we get their little house built up there on top of the hill where that old trailer is. We're going to take the bottoms of these and fill them full of water, and then that will be what the ducks get to swim in during the summertime. Okay, we'll show you finished product when we get the chicks in.